Hey fellas, I thought I'd do a start up on this Echo CS306 little top handle saw I bought off my favorite lawn and garden place. And little 14-inch bar, paid 30 bucks for it, and let's see if it'll start. It's a cold start, so let's see. Choke back in. Pretty nice little saw. I had this for a couple weeks and just posted it on Craigslist this morning. I really don't need it. I've got a couple other saws, and so anyway, thought you guys might enjoy this little saw. And it's got some old gas in it. I'm gonna try to run it out, I believe. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Y'all have a great evening.